back to OtherBuys. Today we've got another McGregor Strimmer video, because on the last one it seems that you guys felt that I didn't show you properly how to get the Strimmer Spool into the strimmer properly. So what we're going to do today is going to do a more in-depth video showing you how to do that. So to get access to the spool, squeeze the side, pull that off, take the cap off. Then we've got the spool obviously inside, so usually you're going to want to replace it when it's empty, but I'm just going to replace it today, or take it out and put it back in just to show you how to do that. So just feed, that's the top one, so feed that through. I'm going to clip that in there, as you can see, just to keep it in place. I'm going to do the same. So that one should be on the bottom. Ooh. Should be a nightmare. Right, clip that in place. Top one. When you're putting it on, you need to make sure this is tight as possible. Make sure it's on the right side, because this is a double spool. So, right. Clip that one in there as well. Right, so clip your things in, your spool in, and we want to feed the bottom one through first. So take that off, feed that through that hole first, keeping the spool in the guide, and push it in. That's that one in. Now you want to clip that and clip that in place here again, so that it doesn't move. It's not doing it very well, but right. So pushed it in. Now for the top one, to unclip that, and we need to try and feed it through that hole. You can bend it a little bit, like a hook, to get it through the next hole, the one at the top. There you go. See, that's fed through. So you see that? So you've got that one through there, and that one through there. Push the cap on, and you're done. Strimmer spool replaced. I'll put a link in the description to get these spools from Amazon. About 10 quid, you get about 6 of them, last you ages. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos. And we're also on other social media channels, such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Right, thanks very much guys.